It's not done. I don't want to catch your hair in it, that's all.
Yo, I'm looking kind of sexy though. What?
Sitting down. Then you took which?
I'm middle.
Middle, outside.
Can someone tie in this? I'm scared. Should this not be tighter? This doesn't feel tight. I don't know, is it tight enough?
Could be. Where, like around the head?
Yeah, I think my head's just a little small. That's perfect. I think that's good. Yeah, that's tight. Yeah. So then what? So if we jump over, does it like yo.
Are you outside or middle?
Middle.
I don't want to.
Is this looking at you, yeah?
Yeah, it is. It's very.
Oh, Aminon, man. What the fuck? I recorded that. I saw that. Let's do a meter for now. Oh wait, you're not a fucking meter, if you can. Hey! Clean.
What pasta?
Huh?
That should be.
I kind of want to try this with Ollie as well.
Why's your camera bent?
Is it Ben?
The other way.
Bro.
Why's the camera bent? Hold on. It's pointing over here. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Don't go to the middle of the head. No, we didn't follow with it just.
It's because the strap is bent, bro.
Hold on, wait.
That's it. One second. I just need to pretend it's on my head, man. For sure. That's one.
Do you want to say?
No. Oh yeah. Fuck it. Yes, say that.
Yeah.
Nice serve. What? Bro, my head's too small, man.
That's what we got to do. Like that? Yes.
Yeah, yours.
Let's go.
Set me.
No.
Oh, lads, I want to record a hit.
I'm gonna go to. Let's go! Hey!
Oh man. Oh. To get over.
You excited?
Huh? I haven't cooked anything yet. Huh? No, let's try, Nate. Might as well, innit? See what happens. Oh, the shit, meter. That only worked because it was a mixed net.
Nah, you.
One
more time.
I feel like you're gonna jump and that's gonna fly off.
I'm front court only. Joe.
Good hit.
Bruh.
One more time.
Yo, Salomge. Mita. Salomge. Hey. Oh, that's Yo, Samina. Mita. Oh. I was going for Mita in it, but sorry. That was a good A though. That was a good A. No, but that was a good A. Oh, a mess. Hey. Nice. Oh. Good shot. It went right over the net. Hmm?
You get that?
I ain't dragging anything, I'm not gonna lie. I can't. I don't want to fall on the ground.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
It's not yours to break. It's not yours to break.
I mean, so. What? Oh!
If I get a good pass,
Fight? Yeah, sounds good. Let's go, let's try. Oh! We're anti-cooking though right now. Oh, let's try. Da-da-da-da. Boom. It's yours, Amino. Nice one.
I literally here you go.
Nice one.
The good thing is, when I'm sat around, I just pass him.
Vlad! Oh, my bad. I was trying to go middle as well. Oh, that was the gap. Now the gap in our blocked. I'm worried every time I jump with this thing.
I know, right? It feels weird in your head.
Alright.
Oh yeah, you're awesome. I was gonna say, wait. It's a game ender.
Alright. Okay, that was a horrible game.
Let's try again.
Nah, that shit was boring. We should swap it around, no? Yeah, I'm glad I filmed it. That was a mess.
Me from here.
Do I reset this?
You pause it, yeah?
How do I pause it? Jerry, can you adjust it? I'm so worried to jump. Like, I'm genuinely really scared.